In this video, I'd like to show you how I create this render. So many people like this render. For that, I just like to show you how I create it and how I create this like DOF and I like to show you the pose that I use, the clothes, and everything about this render. Finally, how to just get this render with good quality. I talk about that so many times, but in this video, I'd like to show how I create this render. It's really easy. It's not complicated. It's really easy. So of course we use a Death Stranding Mama character for this render. Is my favorite character. So first thing, add a basic Genesis 8 female. Okay, then clothing, base clothes. Okay, then apply the Death Stranding Mama character like that. And I put link for the Death Stranding Mama if you like to get it. Then I just apply the pose. So I put a link in the description for the pose. The pose is exactly this pose. Where is it? Where is it? This one? Yes, this one. So now just we create a new camera. Zoom and let's fix our camera. So change here, this camera here. Sorry, so this is the camera, just like that, like that. Okay, let's see. Something like that. I need to come back here to my art station. So this is the render in my art station, just to see it's like the reference. Let's come back. See, okay, so something I think is like that. It's like that. Let's see here. Change to camera, then NVIDIA. I think it's like that, like that. So let's use the camera like that. After that, let's add the clothes, and I put link for the clothes that I use for this render. So actually this one, then I delete the basic bra. We don't need it anymore. And let's apply the material. I think it's black. Yes, black. I think it's one. Let's see, NVIDIA. Exactly this one. So let's simulate, because this is D-Force clothes. Change something with the camera. I'm not really sure. I think something like that. Okay, let's use it. Let's like change. Okay, let's put it like that. Okay, so let's change to perspective view here. So the light, go here, go here, go here. So this is the light. Okay guys, so before continue, and as always, if you like to enjoy my light, my presets, and all my products, you can get it all and enjoy 25% discount for December. You can enjoy it all. So you can see here that we use this light, and we have also other products like the oily look, the shape. For example, here I use the it's not the same shape. I just apply. I just here, let's see, I use, I think, the shape number C. It's not the same shape. Yeah, I think I use C. It's really, I think it's more attractive like that. Yeah, so you can enjoy the shapes, you can enjoy the oily look also, if you like to get something like that, oily look. Okay, so many. So let's use number 2. So many products, you have more than 1000 poses, like variety poses, generated poses, really amazing. Then you have my presets. It's really interesting, the presets you can see here with the original render, how the render looks like, and how the render looks like after apply the presets. And you have 20 presets like black and white presets and other presets optimized to with the HDRI map actually that you use here. I call it light, but it's like an HDRI map. This HDRI give shadow for the portrait and give a really good result. So you can enjoy all that in one bundle, and you have 25% for December. So let's come back here. I think for this render I use I don't know, light direction, this one, I think this one. But okay, so for this render I use as always the trick of point light. Just apply here. Okay, so I think 2020, like that, or like that, or like that. I think, let's see, I'm not really sure. So let's change the background to black. Make it's not exactly black, it's like gray. But I'm not really sure about. So what if I don't use here the point light? I'm not really okay. I think we need it. We need the point light, and I think 120 or 90. I think it's 90. 90 is good. Okay, like that. It's really good. So you can see here that we have some problems with, for example, her finger is not fixed in her leg, for example. So don't worry about that, because we use here the trick of the DOF and make this fingers like a blur. You cannot see it exactly, and focus in her face. So just click camera, then select camera number 1, click here, make it on, and let's focus in her face. Okay, let's make it just like that, in her face, in this part of her face. You can see here the finger is not really, you cannot see it actually. So, and focus in this part of her face. Okay, I think it's like that's good. It's not exactly this one, it's not the same exactly, but okay, let's change here like that. Okay, nice. So I hope you understand the trick of the DOF, and you have the clothes, the character, the poses pack also in the description. And this is how I create this render. Here we have it, guys, and I think like here we need to change something here, make it more like that. Okay, so for now I just click render, and here we have the result. So this is the render, and this is the render after apply the preset. So you can see that the light, the preset, and also the shape give really amazing look for our character. You have also the oily look, and you have and you have like to more than 1000 generated poses, different poses. You can use it, and you have this bundle. You can enjoy the bundle, you can render, and if you like to see the quality using this render settings that I use, you can just visit my art station, and I put a link in description to the direct link to this render. You can just visit it, and you can see the details and how this render looks like. It's really look amazing. Okay, so guys, see you in the next video. Ciao.